The next part will be an inspirational message, a short message, to be delivered by one of the active MILGOO of Lanao del Norte, and we are happy that siya yung na-assign dito sa Pantauragan, no? We have Sir Nasif D. Mangutara. A round of applause, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Doc. No? So, sa ating budhing Mayor Iran Latud, at sa ating bisita, the Regional Director of the BFP Region 10, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard Alputante, sir. At sa ating Provincial Fire Marshal, Sir Butch Paulete, sir. At sa ating mga unsung heroes, the different Fire Marshal of different municipalities in Lanao del Norte, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Morning. Today we gather to mark the beginning of an exciting new chapter in our community history, the construction of our new fire station. At last, after 10 years of requesting fire station, no? Nakatatlong sekretary na kami ng DILG. Magsulat kami simula nung kay Secretary Marojas, Secretary Anyo. So at last, after almost 10 years, it can now be realized. So napakagandang balita po ito sa ating mga komunidad, dahil pag may mga sunog po, hindi na kami tatawag sa Iligan, hindi na kami tatawag sa Baloi, which is kung wag naman sana mangyari, pag may sunog, pag magtawag pa kami sa Iligan, pagdating dito wala na, sunog na lahat, no? So now, and because of also of the new modernization ng ating mga fire station, ay hindi lang sila pangsunog, no? Kasama din sila sa pag-rescue during emergencies. So napakalaking tulong ito sa ating sa aming komunidad. At pangalawa, rest assured, RD, that this fire station will be one of the best fire station na makikita natin dito sa Lanao del Norte. Dahil po, ang aming Mayor Iran, ayaw po niya ng hindi yung in-implement na mabuti yung projects, because in Pantauragan, everything we implement should be excellent. Makita naman natin sa ating mga kalsada, no? Sa ating mga construction, sa ating fire station, sa ating mga kalsada, makita naman natin na yung resulta, no, na pagsusumikap ng ating mga local officials sa pangunguna ng ating budihing mayor. So sa groundbreaking pa lang, sir, kung makita po natin, shovel pa lang, gold na. How much more po sa fire station pa mismo? Baka ilagay ito ng mga bakal na ating contractor, yung mga gold lahat. Okay. But anyway, ganito po kami sa Pantauragan. Everything we do is excellent. With that, I would like to thank all of you, the officials, ating mga kasamahan sa Bureau of Fire. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Sir Nasif, no, for that very energetic message. Round of applause, everyone. Okay, so the next part will be another message to be given to us by the Provincial Fire Marshal of the province of Lanao del Norte. Please help me welcome the Fire Superintendent Butch P. Paulete. A round of applause, everyone.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sanggi po salamat Pantauragan for this occasion. Imanto, ang nanatano sa fire station. So, sabihin niya natin lahat for the recognition of our budihing mayor, Honorable Muhammad Daud Nabil Iran, si Mapuro at sir, sa ating budihing municipal vice mayor, Honorable Lacson in that good, sir. And members of the SB headed by Honorable Ryan Min Lacson in Mapuron, good, sir. And members of the Sangguniang Bayan, the APC President, Honorable Mama N. Magituba, sir. And the department heads present and lahat ng ating mga municipal fire marshals, palayo, tayo, to be recognized. Palakpakan po natin to support. And the office of the provincial fire marshal, tayo po, and the regional staff po, nandito. Palakpakan po natin. And of course, our butihing napaka-energetic basketball player, regional director, soccer player, higher senior superintendent, Richard Velasco Butante, sir. So, isang panaginip na naging totoo. At saka na-verify ko nung sinabi ni Mencio, sir, na wikid ko pala talaga. So, not only that, no, kasi ang bahay kailangan lagyan ng tao. So, simula pa lang yan, mga kapatid. Lagyan ng bahay ng bumbero, at susunod yan, tao, siyempre, may sasakyan na fire truck. In the modernization of the PNP, yun na nga, the basic mandate namin is to prevent and suppress destructive fires, and then the rescue, services, and emergency, and also the investigation and fire safety inspection. So, nag-usap kami ni Emilio Officer kanina na part sa innovation ng RA ng 514, once activated na ang Pantauragat Fire Station, yung fire confis collection ng munisipyo ang mag-i-enjoy na yung munisipyo with a 20% share from the national, from the overall na collection. So, mayroong share ang local government ngayon. For now, ang nag-i-enjoy kasi ngayon is ang Balui. So, ngayon, pag ma-activate na yung Pantauragat Fire Station, yung fire confis collection or Pantauragat, may enjoy talaga sa Pantauragat. So, palakpakan po natin. So, that's the innovation of the ROE ng 514. Hindi ko na patagalin pa kasi excited na rin yung mga address nating occasion. Wassalam sa lahat.
Okay, so thank you, Sir Baulete, for that message, no? So, yun. So, ang nakuha natin doon is the main goal talaga of BFP is to suppress destructive fire. But, yun is kung andyan na yung fire, no? I-suppress nila. But what is very important is how to prevent that fire to happen. That's why may tinatawag tayong Fire Prevention Month. Okay, so the next part will be one of the exciting part, no? Ika nga, of this activity will be a very inspiring message from our ever-active Municipal Mayor Honorable Muhammad Daud Nabil Dilantod. A round of applause, everyone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To our distinguished guests, our Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Richard Velasco Arbotante, our Provincial Fire Marshal, Fire Superintendent Butch P. Baulete, together with the OIC Municipal Fire Marshals of Balui, Lorenzo P. Sobrana, and to the other Fire Marshals of Lanao del Norte that are here today. To the councilors headed by my brother Ryan, the ABC president of Pantoragat, Mr. Mike Buligba, and our very active Municipal Health Officer, Dr. Ayman, our MLGOO, Mr. Nasif D. Mamutara, and our Municipal Engineer, Mr. Kima, and of course, the Ogana Builders, families and friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. It is a great pleasure and pride to be here in front of you to witness a historic occasion of our municipality. This new station is a significant step toward enhancing fire safety and emergency response not only here in Pantoragat but also to the nearby municipalities. Nais po naming pasalamatan ang ating butihing Pangulo for making this project possible. I am overwhelmed with this another milestone of our municipality. Makakaasa po kayo na magagamit ito sa oras ng pangangailangan. Actually, ang tagal-tagal na po namin hinahangad na magkaroon ng fire station dito sa aming munisipyo. Kasi po napakarami na pong fire incident ang nangyari o dumaan dito sa amin. And sad to say, wala kaming magawa kasi wala kaming fire truck na pwedeng rumisponde. Although may mga nakaka-responde naman na fire trucks, like mga fire trucks galing ng mga kalapit naming munisipyo like Balui and Iligan, pero pagdating po dito ng fire truck, wala na. Tapos na po yung sunog. Alam nyo naman po, yung sunog, minutes lang, ang bilis kumalat. That is why fire station is very important in each municipality. Kaya naman po, kami, we are very thankful to have this project. Makakaasa po kayo na kami po dito sa Pantoragat, yung support namin sa BFP is more than 100%. Sa akin lamang po, tayo ay magtulungan at magkaisa para sa ikaunlad ng ating lugar. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you, Mayor, for that very short message. For that short message, So we are very happy also that in your term, Genma, be built yung memorable na project na to, yung PFP project.